To solve various functional or connection issues, you might need to hard reset your Anker Soundcore headphones. So in this video, we're going to show you how to factory reset Anker Soundcore Live Q20 headphones. First, we recommend you to unpair or forget the headphones from the devices it's paired to. To reset it, first make sure your headphones are turned on. Now plug it in with the charger. When you see the red charging LED, just press and hold both the volume up and this power button for 5 seconds until you see this red and blue LED flashing beside the power button. When the button gets stable into a purple LED, that means the reset is complete. Unplug your headphones, turn it off, and then turn it on again. Now you can repair it with the device of your choice. So that's how you can reset your Anker Live Q20 headphones. Thanks for watching.